I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Clarice. Happy birthday. Enjoy your party. Enjoy the last 2 years of being teenager. Welcome to Kadiwa. Yay! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Clarice.
Hi Clarice, happy birthday. More blessings. Sana lalo gumanda pa. Hindi, mag-aral maigi. Na makagraduate ka. Yan ang gusto-gusto ng mga parents. Magulang mo. Sana lalo maging masigla sa paglilingkod sa Diyos. Yan na, happy birthday again.
Hi Clarice! Happy 18th birthday! May you have many more birthdays to come. Stay pretty and good health. Gusto ko makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral, yun lang. Masaya na si tita always. I love you. Miss you so much. Happy 18th birthday.
Yeah, Clarice. Hi, Clarice. Happy birthday. Sana mabuti ka anak sa iyong mga magulang. Yun, mag-iingat ka palagi. Ganun palagi. Alam mo na. Mag-ingat. Ingat. Clarice, happy birthday. God bless.
To my cousin, best friend, and partner in crime, Clarice, happy 18th birthday. Wishing you a memorable and joyful celebration as you debut into adulthood. Tanda ka na, te! Go! I'm honored to have this journey with you. Good luck sa future mo and sa studies mo. Be healthy and strong as always. May your day be bright and beautiful as you are. Happy birthday, Kaz!
Happy birthday, Gladys! Enjoy your birthday! Sana, pagpatuloy mo yung mga maganda mong alikain para sa pamilya. God bless! I love you!
Happy birthday sa you, Clarice! This is Rose from California, your beautiful tita. Lola. Lola pala. Oh, by the way. Okay. Happy birthday sa'yo. And this is the best advice I can give it to you. Stay humble and always positive mindset. I want you to remember to enjoy the journey of life, even in difficult times. Lahat ng mga pangarap natin, minsan hindi natin nakukuha, but sa balang araw makukuha mo yan. Huwag kang manghinayang sa mga bagay na hindi mo makukuha kasi may dahilan. May dahilan ng Diyos kung bakit hindi binigay sa atin. At saka huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa kasi may bibigay sa atin ang Diyos na para sa atin. Yung mga bagay na dapat para sa'yo. For example, a lot of people telling me that I'm not a good photographer. I'm not a good photographer. So what? Nasaan ako ngayon? Nandito ako ngayon kung anong gusto ko sa buhay. I be photographer and everything, you know. Huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa kung may mga taong binababa tayo. Kasi sila yung mga taong hindi nila alam ang mga sinasabi nila. Be optimistic and be strong and be bold. Makukuha mo kung anong gusto mo, pangarap mo. Diba? When I was young, just like yours today, marami akong pangarap na hindi ko naabot. Marami akong bagay na hindi nakuha. Pero I learn from my pagsubok, lahat. In difficult times, hindi ako nawala ng pag-asa. Always be how to say this, be a strong woman. Strong women can defeat everything. I want you to learn how to handle the problems in the wag kang mawalan ng pag-asa sa mga bagay na hindi mo nakuha kasi balang araw makukuha mo yan. And that's all. I want you to appreciate little things in life. Kasi yung mga maliliit na bagay na yan, dan tayo paakyat. Aakyat tayo sa pangarap natin kung ina-appreciate mo yung mga maliliit na bagay. Katulad ng pagmamahal ng magulang. Appreciate mo yan kasi mahal na mahal ka nila. Ginagawa nila ang lahat para sa'yo, para sa mga kapatid mo. So, mahalin mo yung mga magulang mo kasi sila yung nagbigay ng buhay sa atin. Ganun yun. Yes, nandito tayo sa mundo dahil sa kanila and yet, we appreciate them. So, please follow your dreams and appreciate little things in life and you will get what you really want in life. And be a good person. I love you, Clarice. That's all. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Ate Clarice! From Ediana! Enjoy your party!
Guitars, man.